And yes, this one is another super hit question. And why this question is very interesting, because three times already they have asked this question in past years. Actually, there are two very popular condition. One is plane strain condition and one is plane stress condition. So when you will complete the theory in elasticity, that time you will know about all these things in detail. So guys, whenever plane strain condition is mentioned, then immediately think about the matrix, the matrix of strain. So there is something called state of stress, state of strain. So you will draw a matrix which will represent state of strain. So here you will be having sigma xx, then here you will be having sigma yy, and here sigma sorry, not sigma, epsilon. I'm repeating, sigma is used for stress and epsilon is used for strain. So here I'm using stress, sorry, strains, because condition is based on strains. Understand, diagonally we are placing the elements. How? Diagonally. Okay, because they are, I hope you understand, they are longitudinal and lateral strains. Okay, but here you will put gamma xy, gamma xz, and here and here you will put shear strains. So only on diagonals. Now come to the main point, because it is given very technically. Our plane is xy. Xy means 2D plane. So if you have 2D plane, then out of shear strain you will crop only this much, because this total, if you take, it is 3 cross 3, it is for 3D, but if you'll crop only this much, then it is for 2D. So you can clearly see, if you are choosing this much, then automatically epsilon z part is going to be 0, right? So this option is correct first, and after that these two options will also go 0. Why these two options will also go 0, I will explain in detail. Now next part, many students may think that this one will also go 0. Why? Some students may think that this one may go 0, but actually this option will not go 0. These two will go 0, no doubt. But confusion, many students used to think that if epsilon zz is 0, then no doubt sigma zz will be 0. Why will they think that this option? Actually, see, this option you don't have to choose. This option you don't have to choose. You have to choose only A, C and D. But point is, why are you not choosing sigma zz? So understand here. Some students will give the logic that, sir, sigma is proportional to epsilon, correct? So if I'm putting zz here, then zz here, then because of Hooke's law they can bold their statement and they can say sigma z is equal to E times epsilon. If this guy is 0, then this guy must be 0. They may be thinking like this, but at the same time they will do mistake. What mistake they will do? Right now, what sigma zz you have attached here to find out your approach, that sigma zz you are finding only because of epsilon zz, but that is not the only reality. Your reality is sigma zz is not only produced because of epsilon zz. Okay, you may be remembering, with the help of, there is something called Poisson's ratio, you can connect all the, like, of sigma xx, sorry, I'll go directly to sigma zz. You can find out in terms of epsilon xx, epsilon yy and epsilon zz. It means what? If you target xy plane, so in case of, suppose this is your x direction and this is your y direction, so in x direction you have epsilon x strain and epsilon y strain in y direction. Because of these two, you will be getting stress thickness wise also sigma zz. Okay, how? Because sigma zz formula you have in terms of epsilon xx, epsilon yy and epsilon zz. So point is, even though this guy is being 0, these two people will be responsible to produce sigma zz. This is the key point, right? I hope you understood. If you're watching this video for the very first time, you immediately join my coaching center for live classes, video courses, test series and all the facilities whatever you are looking for GATE aerospace engineering preparation for upcoming years. Okay, let's go to the next solution.